So let's talk about the time on the Apple Watch, more specifically, how to see the time on World Clock using the Apple Watch. Now, there are two ways how you can use the World Clock. There's the app as well as the widgets. Widgets on Apple Watch are called complications, by the way. Anyways, you can go to the All Apps view on your Apple Watch and then try to find the World Clock app. It's an orange icon with a globe on it. It should be built in out of the box. Once you're inside, you can see your local current time always in the top right corner. So that is the normal time. It always stays there. But the whole screen is showing the map and certain locations. You can add new locations by clicking the list button top left. There you can switch to a different one or add new one with the plus button. You can also use the digital crown to scroll and preview the time in comparison to your local time. Also represented visually on the map with sunset and sunrise always visible. But as mentioned, you can also add this stuff to the watch face as a complication. Edit the watch face and choose one complication spot to be dedicated to World Clock. And it's that simple. You don't really need much more to know about it. I mean, you can also download a third-party World Clock app, but the Apple one is honestly pretty good and more than enough. So thank you for watching. See you guys later.